जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। शुरुआत है हमारे कार्यक्रम की।
मैम इस तरफ घूमेंगे वेट वेट वेट।
Thank you everyone. Please take your respective seats. And now, presenting one of the most awaited highlights of the day, our March Past. Look at these tiny footsteps, marching in perfect rhythm, their heads held high, their eyes sparkling with pride. Our tiny dogs are all ready to display their discipline, coordination and confidence. Walk as they march proudly, heads held high, eyes sparkling with joy. Every step tells us a story of courage, practice and determination. This movement truly defines discipline. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want more. Our little ones miss a step here and there, but that is the beauty of their innocence. Their tiny feet walk with excitement, their eyes shine with curiosity, and their hearts beat with pure joy. Even if they move in different directions, they move with courage. Let us appreciate their effort, their energy, and their enthusiasm. Every imperfect step makes this moment even more special. Ishan Surana, who holds the school flag by this parade. Madam Anita guides the entire parade of class 3 nursery.
प्यारे बच्चों, ये मार्च पास्ट सिर्फ कदम बढ़ाने का नहीं, आपके उत्साह, अनुशासन और मेहनत दिखाने का मौका है। कदम ताल में रखें, हाथ उठाएं और पूरे आत्मविश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ो। आपका प्रदर्शन सबको प्रेरित करेगा और मंच को रोशन करेगा। देखिए, हमारे नन्हे सितारे जैसे भी कदम बढ़ा रहे हैं, बहुत ही प्यारे लग रहे हैं। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए नन्हे सितारों के लिए।
These children might not march in a straight line, but they carry the biggest smiles. Their little bobbles, tiny pauses, and sudden giggles are what make this march delightful. They are learning, exploring, and giving their best. Instead of perfection, let us celebrate their honesty and natural charm. Today, their happiness is a real show. After class 3 nursery, here comes class nursery, section Ojas, guided by class teacher Madam Ishu Sharma. They may not follow every instruction perfectly, but they follow their enthusiasm faithfully. Their playful steps, curious glances, and innocent expressions make this event truly adorable. They are too little for criticism, but perfect in their spirit. Let's celebrate their bravery, their happiness, and the efforts behind every tiny movement. These movements are treasure we will always remember.
जी हाँ बच्चों, आज आपका दिन है। अपने कदम ताल में रखें, नजरें सीखें और अपने मन की हिम्मत का गीत चलाए रखें। आपका मार्च पास्ट सभी को प्रेरित करेगा और सबको गर्व महसूस हो। चलो जोरदार कदमों के साथ आगे बढ़ो।
After section A, here comes section Beta, guided by class teacher Madam Sangeeta. Even if their steps are not synchronized, their spirits are perfectly united. They walk with confidence, they shine with innocence, and they fill the ground with joy. Every small mistake is a part of their growth. Every little movement is a sign of their courage. Let's applaud them for simply being brave and beautiful.
बच्चों, आप जैसे भी चल रहे हैं, बहुत ही प्यारे लगते हैं। आपका मार्च पास्ट सबको बड़ा भा रहा है। चलिए तालियों से इनकी जोरदार सराहना करें। जोरदार तालियां छोटे छोटे नन्हे नन्हे कलाकारों के लिए। बहुत बड़ी बात है मंच के ऊपर आना।
learning what marching means. What matters is that they came forward with courage and tried with a full heart. Their sweet imperfections make this moment memorable. Let's give them our all love and applause.
देखिए छोटे कदम प्यारे से चाल, हमारे नन्हे कलाकार कितने प्यारे हो रहे हैं। इन बच्चों का जोश बता रहा है कि जीत सिर्फ ट्रॉफी की नहीं, दिलों की भी होती है।
After class LKG, here comes class UKG, guided by class teacher Madam Dimple Sharma. As they march past, their imperfections seem to be melt into the rhythm of their steps. The small flaws that once felt so noticeable now blur into the background, softened by the confidence they carry. What truly stands out is this quiet determination that moves with them, steady and undeniable.
देखिए कैसे कदम बढ़ा रहे हैं हमारे प्यारे बच्चे, छोटे पर बहुत उत्साही, नन्हे कदम लेकिन बहुत मजबूत हौसले।
After UKG, here comes class first, section Ojas and Veda, with their class teachers, Madam Shraddha Sharma and Madam Shivani Sharma. Every flaw they carry becomes insignificant the moment they move forward with purpose. The tiny mistakes, the uneven movements, the hesitation, all of it feels small as compared to the resilience they show. As they pass, you realize that progress shines brighter than perfection ever could. Their minor mistakes, the uneven edges don't matter in this moment. Instead of flow of effort and intention rise above everything else.
हमारे छोटे चैंपियन तैयार हैं, कदम ताल में रखें, नजरें हमेशा आगे और मन में आत्मविश्वास जगाए रखें।
After class first, here comes class second, guided by class teacher, Madam Lalita. Class second, guided by class teacher, Madam Lalita. Tiny steps, tiny dreams, shining heart with sunshine beam.
छोटे छोटे पैर हैं चलने को तैयार, छोटे छोटे पैर हैं चलने को तैयार, सपनों से भरा है इनका हर एक संसार।
They fall, they rise, they laugh, they play, they learn new things every single day.
इन नन्हों की मुस्कान में जादू है अनोखा, इन्हीं से रोशन होता है हर सुबह का मौका।
So let us cheer, clap and greet, for today is our grand sports day. To represent the spirit of unity, energy and sportsmanship.
Praise come. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for symbolic lighting of our Olympic torch. Although we are not using fire, our beautifully crafted paper torch represents the same Olympic spirit. Now we humbly invite our dignitaries to come forward to hand over the Olympic flame, symbolizing purity, determination, and the spirit of sportsmanship. Like the Olympic torch, it is not just the flame, but also the spirit of courage, teamwork, and inspiration in every heart present here today. Now I would like to request Chairman Sir to please hand over the torch to Master Aryan. Now it is handed over to Aryansh. The chance of taking over the torch now goes to Srishti. Now it is handed over to Ahana. Now the torch handed over to Vivaan. The flame of peace and harmony is now present in our school premises, and may this light glow to remove darkness in the lives of all. As we prepare to celebrate strength, discipline, and sportsmanship, let us unite our hearts and voices. I request everyone to stand in respect as we begin with our national song, a tribute to spirit of our nation.